Hey friends, it's Elizabeth here from the Everyday Storyteller, and in this video I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the February Start With Story kit. So if you're not familiar with the Start With Story kit, it is a monthly subscription available on my site, theeverydaystoryteller.com, and it is centered around helping you document more of your stories. You can check out all of the details in the shop, which I will link in the description, but this walkthrough will give you a pretty good idea of what's included each month. So along with the kit contents, which I'm going to go through in a second here, you will also get access to 2 video classes that are produced and released throughout the month, as well as access to our private Mighty Networks community. So for each kit, we usually have a theme, and for February, we've decided on documenting relationships. So you'll see that a lot of the prompts focus on documenting the stories of love and family and things like that, and the coordinating ephemera and digital stamps echo that sentiment a little bit. All right, so to me, the most important part of the Start With Story kit is always the journaling prompts. So I always include about 40 journaling prompts each month that some of them relate to the theme for the month, and some of them are just everyday normal life documenting. So that is how we have delivered the prompts to you for the last couple of months since we started Start With Story, but we're always trying to figure out better ways to deliver your content to you. So this is the new pocket prompt page. This will come with the regular prompts every month, and this is the same journaling prompts, but added into an 8.5 by 11 sheet that you can print and fold into this little booklet, which is really fun. I love this because you can add it to your journal or into your purse, and whenever you have time, you can just pull it out and use it as a little prompt to tell your story. All right, so next up is the Document Deeper story prompts. Now, these are exactly what the name suggests. These are 6 prompts that will really help you get creative and document a little deeper into your story. I usually write these specifically for memory keeping layouts in mind, so they usually give you some tips and jumping off points for your layout. And also, we also have the 2 design recipes that come with your kit each month. This month, they are both 6 by 8. That kind of depends on the month and how I'm feeling, which size I choose. But I'm really excited because I usually use one of these design recipes in my start to finish process videos that I share with you guys each month. And I think I'm leaning towards this one, but definitely let me know which one you would like to see me create. A new addition this month are the digital stamps. So this is a printout of the digital stamps. You will receive these in PNG form, and you'll be able to add them to pretty much anything you want. Journaling cards, photos, anything like that. We have this February Stories word art, these little labels that say best day ever and love this, and a couple of the illustrations from the kit this month. All of the illustrations are hand drawn by me, so it's really exciting to see all of you guys use my drawings and my story prompts in your own journaling and documenting. So the Start With Story kit is completely digital. So this is how you will see your embellishments and ephemera come to you when you open your email. You'll have a ready to print page full of everything that you've seen so far, as well as 2 more pages that I like to call bits and pieces and ephemera pages. This is the ephemera page, which has all of the illustrations and some titles that you can use. So I also include each month silhouette ready cut files, as well as JPEG versions of these 2 pages, so that you can easily use a cutting machine to turn this page into this. So the ephemera page, which you just saw, which has all of the illustrations and everything in it, is some of my favorites. So we're gonna actually get started with the bits and pieces page, which contains all of the journaling spots and word art and things like that. So first up, we have this tag that says picture perfect. This is about 2 inches by 3 inches, I believe. We usually have a couple more tags, but this month there was a lot of other things I wanted to include with this kit, so we only have the 1 tag. So next up are the journaling spots. As you can see, the first 3 have the numbers 1, 2, 3, as well as some lines for journaling. I would love to see these added to photos in like a pocket page spread. I think that would look really fun. You could easily cut these in half and use both sides of the hexagon. The illustrations this month were really fun to create, so you'll see them pop up here and there throughout the kit, especially on these little mini hexagons that I am kind of thinking of them as chipboard embellishments. We have this fun little envelope with the florals. more florals. This one that says best friends, family time, sent with love with a little postal truck, small moments, and then the rest are illustrations. We have 2 florals and also this cute little typewriter. Also included in the bits and pieces page is this word fetty in different colors matching the kit. We have love you always, family time, better days ahead, girl time, what does this one say? Date night, chapter 2, since this is the 2nd month of the year, these moments, and lots of other fun sentiments. Moving on to the ephemera page, first off we're going to look at all of these cute little word titles. So this one says, love this moment, for the record, little joys, and February memories. So some of my favorite things to design every month for the kits are these illustrations. So all of these are hand-drawn by me, and I really love how February's turned out. It's very whimsical, and this is probably my favorite style that I've done the illustrations in so far. Of course, since it's still COVID times, we had to have a mask. This is kind of a floral mask, which is patterned after one of my own masks, which is always really fun. We have a typewriter, this really artsy photo display. Lots of flowers in this month's collection. We have this vase, a couple of single flowers. I love this illustration of the rain boots with the flowers growing out of them. If you follow me on Instagram, you have already seen this lovely envelope with the florals. More single florals. This is really fun because we also kind of talk about desserts in this month's journal prompts. So I had to include cake. This is my daughter's favorite cake. Funfetti cake, of course. A mailbox with some letters. More florals. These cute little speech bubbles. You have 2 of these. And then finally, I was watching Anne of Green Gables, the old Anne of Green Gables, while I was drawing the illustrations for this kit, and I feel like that kind of showed up in this girl. She's very Anne-esque. Alright, so this is February's Start With Story kit. If you'd like more information, you can always click the link in the description, and I'm really excited to see what stories you tell this month. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.